Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of chive chopping, a seemingly mundane task that has become a status symbol for chefs and a competitive sport for home cooks. But what makes it so fascinating? Well, it's not just about the technique, it's about the precision, the mindfulness, and the attention to detail that goes into creating those perfect, fluffy chives that dance on your tongue. So grab your knives and let's explore this unique culinary art. Music plays. First, let's talk about the history of chives and why they've become such a big deal. Chives have been a staple in kitchens for centuries, but it wasn't until the rise of Instagram and the Rate My Chives account that they took on a new level of importance. This anonymous chef-run account rates chives based on their consistency, thinness, and overall presentation, turning a simple garnish into a competitive sport. It's like a culinary version of Rate My Fish. Laughter. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of chive chopping. It's not just about having a sharp knife, it's about technique and mindfulness. I mean, who knew that the way you hold your wrist and the angle of your knife could make such a difference? Chef Trisha Greentree, who's known for her impeccable knife skills, breaks down the proper technique, emphasizing the importance of a sturdy grip and a smooth, circular motion. It's like a dance with your knife. Music builds. But what does it mean to be a chive maxer? Well, it's about turning a mundane task into an art form. It's about finding joy in the little things and taking pride in your work. For me, it's about sharpening my knives, practicing my wrist lock, and embracing the challenge of creating those perfect, fluffy chives. It's like a form of self-improvement, where every slice is a step towards culinary greatness. Enthusiastic music. Now let's talk about the culture around chives. The Rate My Chives account has created a community of chefs and home cooks who are passionate about their craft. It's like a culinary version of a support group, where everyone's striving for that perfect score. But it's not just about competition. It's about learning from each other and sharing techniques. It's a testament to the power of community and the joy of culinary exploration. So what's my verdict? Well, I'm not sure if I'll ever be the chive guy on Instagram, but I've definitely found a new appreciation for this humble herb. It's a reminder that sometimes the little things matter the most. So, the next time you're chopping chives, remember, it's not just about the technique, it's about the mindfulness, the precision, and the joy of creating something beautiful. Closing music. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep chopping and stay curious.